Have you ever heard about the Renew supplement? I'm pretty sure you have, and that's why you're here in this video, because you're looking for more information about it. Then stay with me until the end. I'm here to tell you everything there is to know about it, what it is, what it does, if it really works, but also share with you folks a really important alert that you must know before actually purchase it, okay? But in case you watch this video until the end and you think you need more information about it, I managed to find the link for the official website and I left it just below in the description of my video in case you need it. So all you have to do is go to the description box and click on the link below. Then you will go directly to their official website where you can find all the complete information about it. But I really recommend you guys to stay with me until the end because the alerts will be available only here on this video. So folks, you know that the scientists discovered that a lot of problems we may have, like lack of energy and disposition, not having a digestive system functioning well, not having a cognitive function good as well, and also not losing weight. Many of these problems can be caused by the lack of sleep. You know that there are the stages of sleep and many people don't pass through the deepest stage of the sleep. That it's really important so your whole organism can functioning well. And that's what the Renew supplement will do for you guys. This supplement is completely natural. It has no chemical composition in the formula, just natural and organic ingredients like plant and herb extracts, vitamins, nutrients, minerals that will give you a deep and restful sleep, guys. And as a consequence, you will see that your whole body will be functioning well, your cognitive system as well. You will see that you will have like more concentration, more focus, more energy and disposition along your day. It will speed up your body's metabolism, give you a digestive system that functions well. All of that just having a good night's sleep, guys. So as you can see, it's really important to have a restful sleep, to take it seriously, and the Renew will do just that. It will really wake up like you are renewed, you know? To see all of these results, you must be committed to it and take it every single day for at least 3 months. But I really recommend you guys to do the complete treatment of 6 months to see the lasting and effective results that you're looking for. And in addition to all of these benefits, they even offer you a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can actually test it for 2 months. And if you don't see results, you just have to contact the support team and ask for a refund. They will return 100% of your money back, okay? You just have to be careful where you're buying it. This is my alert for you guys. There is just one place you can purchase the original Renew from, and that is the official website. It is not possible to buy it in drugstores or other websites, only on their official website, and that's why I left the link just below in the description of my video. This is the only place in the whole planet you can purchase the original Renew from. Nowhere else, so keep that in mind. Also, on the official website, you can see all the complete information about it, people's testimonials, completely stuff ingredients, so I really recommend you guys to go and check it out.